Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming network stability and power. This matters because interrupted updates can corrupt system files. Once connected, go to Settings System Updates to check for a system update. Make sure you're signed into the profile that owns the console. That allows cloud and backup sync. While the system checks for updates, keep the console awake and avoid unplugging it. This step initiates the process and downloads the necessary files before the installation sequence starts. You watch the download and confirm progress. This is where patience pays off because large updates can take time. Once the download completes, the console will prepare files and may prompt for an immediate restart. Choose Restart Now to begin installation. If you have multiple downloads, pause them to prioritize the update. This reduces network congestion. If the console can't update online, you can create an offline system update USB from a PC. You finish by letting the console complete restarts and configuration. This step applies settings and checks system integrity. Once the home screen returns, verify the firmware version in Settings System Console Info to confirm success. If games or apps behave oddly, sign out and back in to resync cloud saves, then test again. If the update hangs or fails repeatedly, power cycle the console, clear local saved cache, or use the offline system update method to recover and prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.